Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So I'll be doing a breakdown today. Someone requested for a breakdown. This popular Igbo song. So I'll be doing the lead line and the bass. I'll be playing both the lead and the bass. So today I set my bass here. This is my bass. This is my lead. So let me just play what I'm going to teach you today. Just listen and watch. So what I was playing was very simple. So I'm playing on F sharp. But the particular key I'm playing on now is on E. But I transpose it to F sharp. So if you want to play, set the key on E. But you can just apply it on any key you want to use. So this is how it goes. I'll be calling out the notes for those of you that is not familiar with F sharp, so you can be able to apply it in your own key. This is F sharp here. So the first one is Aka Marama. The progression goes like this. Aka Marama, which is fa. Kainga Buru Do Chineke Mo Do Aka Marama. You understand? Aka Marama fa. Kaingaburu, Chineke mo, so then you go back to your do. Aka marama, kuara yaka marama, pa. Aka marama, kuara yaka marama, so. Aka kuara yaka, pa. Aka kuara yaka, so. Aka marama. So that is how the progression goes. And you know, if you want to play on this song, you have to know the progression before you can be able to apply the software notation. So this is the software notation I composed on this particular song. This is the lead line. So is Guys, you know the progression is on fa. So I'm using my You understand? This is re. So let me just take it slowly so that you'll be able to understand better. Aka, fa la re fa la do mi so do re do mi so do la ti re so ti so ti fa do fa do mi so do re do la aka mara maka guru chineke mo aka mara maka guru chineke mo aka marama. Hope you are getting it. You just have to watch very well and listen, so you'll be able to get it. Aka marama, the first one, aka maga, you go re fa la re fa la re kanga buru do mi so do re ti re so ti re so ti so ti fa do mi so do re do aka Then I add this minor. Thus, so I'm using. You see where it comes? You just take it to your soul. You don't use it to pass. Go to your passing chord to your soul. So that is just the simple thing I was playing there. If you want to add any other solo, you can add. So let me show you the bass line I was playing there. So this one just goes like this: do so fa, do fa la la do fa la la do so la do so re so re so do so fa la do fa. You can just be changing it. You understand? I'm just using different bass line. So the first one I use is so do fa la la do so do re so do, so do do do, so do do do, fa la la do, fa la la do, do do do, so do do so, so so so. You understand? Do so do do, so do do, fa la la do, fa la la do, so do so 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 so. That is just the bass line I was playing. You can still use do so do so do fa la la. Understand? Then you can still use. You can use any one of your choices. It's the one that is comfortable for you to play. You can just use it. So I'll show you like. This is another bass line I can use also. You can So let me just teach you this last solo I did, then I will end the video. So you just go. It's the same akamarama, once the singer just allow you to solo, you can just freestyle on this. You can even use like saxophone sound. Let me just use the saxophone sound. So it will be more sweeter. Let me use the saxophone sound. This is my saxophone sound now. So you just go. Let me break it down now. So do talala sofa mi so mi do. So do la titi sofa mi so mi fa mi sofa mi fa fa mi do so mi la do si so do. You can just send it like that, so the singer will know that you have ended the solo. Then you end it with Akamarama. So do salala sofa mi so mi do. So do la titi sofa mi so mi fa mi sofa mi fa mi do so la sa do ti re do mi re do la. So friends, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Please make sure you like, share, and also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. God bless you all.